certainly a case to be made for more than one. So our good friend Chad Allen, he is one of our Christmas elves here hanging out waiting to tell us all about the Startastic. And Chad, this is minimal effort but big payoff when it comes to holiday decorating. Welcome back.
Hi, Leslie. Hi, everybody. You are right. If there's one thing I love, it's plug and go, right? So all you have to do is plug this in and you're good to go. But there's a couple of things that separate this from what we're used to, because holiday projectors have been out for a few years. I mean, they really have. And there's good, better, and best when it comes to products, right? And Startastic makes several versions. We've sold them all here at the network. However, the customers really requested one with real artwork, graphic designer artwork, like what you're seeing here on this wall. Real trees, real snowmen, real reindeer, real sleighs, and things like that. So we're giving you 5 Christmas slides. You're seeing them on your screen right now, 5 different ones, okay? And they're all mixed color, so red, blue, green, and white. This is not a one-color kind of projector. It is a 4-color projector, which is magnificent. We also are giving you 5 Halloween slides.
How fun.
And these are where it really gets fun. Add a smoke machine along with your projector. Oh my goodness, talk about a bundle of fun. And then we're also going to give you 2 New Year's slides. And one of those New Year's slides, take a look. It's actually just snowflakes. So the snowflakes could last you all season long. But the other slide there says Happy New Year's, has some champagne glasses, some fireworks and balloons. Every single slide is super fun. And now you may be asking, where does it go? It goes right here on the side. So you just pop your slide in and out. When you just change them out, it's super simple to do. We are including, I should have worn a lighter color shirt. We are including a tripod for you, because normally when you go and buy these, you have to stake them into the ground. Well, people wanted to use them for parties. They wanted to use them inside. So we gave you a tripod. So now you can use it on the inside. Thank you, Leslie, for doing that for me. That's how you pop the slides in and out, just like that. It's super simple. And this is a 4-color projector with 2 different speeds. So there's a button on top of the unit. And that button right there on top of the unit, when you press it once, it's on high. You press it again, it's on slower. And then you press it again and it's completely off.
Right.
I have mine on slow right now just because I want the camera to be able to catch up with all the beautiful designs that we're giving you. But 12 included slides are exclusive to HSN. So is that amazing tripod that I've used for a lot of different things, quite honestly. And then you're just able to stake that in. And then you get 1 cord with it that plugs in, and you're good to go for every holiday. But Leslie, you said it best. No more, my friend. This is it for the year.
No more orders on this. We've got a great price for you. Only place where you get the 12 slides, okay? You can find this in retail. You're not going to get this bundle. And the only place where you get the tripod included. So a really special thing, a special bundle for our HSN customers. You can't beat the price. Chad, I don't like to tell people to buy more than one of anything unless I'm like wild and bananas about something, or unless there's really, it makes sense, right? It makes sense with this because it happened to me, where all of a sudden I was like, oh man, like what do I do with the rest of the house? And I had to kind of compromise and place it in the middle and try to angle it to cover as much of my house as possible. So if you've got a smaller home, fine. No need to have to buy more than one. I'd love for you to do that, because then you just get to place them closer together. However, if you've got a larger home, if you want to do the inside and the outside, remember, you can project this on your favorite wall. You can project this on the garage wall, in the living room, right? So you've got that holiday light show going. And I love that it's everything. It's movement, it's magic, right? It's all that imagery that we love, and not just for Christmas. You don't have to put it away. You get it, you get to bring it out for Halloween, you get to bring it out for New Year's. You can leave the snowflakes on, through the entire winter season. We are very busy, especially when we have these lower priced items, exclusive bundles. So if you want this, remember, it is Christmas in July finale. You've got hsn.com, fastest way to place your order. 727063 is your item number. And that was a perfect example, Chad. You see on the bottom there, it says 3 of the units used. So if you really want to spray this across the entire home, not just a small little area of your home, please consider more than one. And that's what FlexPay is for. It's $4.24 on FlexPay. You can certainly pick up more than one with that price.
Yeah, and we've all been to the big box stores, and we see these on the end caps. We know they exist, and they're $30, $40, $50. You know what they are in your area, right? But here at HSN, we're very transparent. So 3 units used on this house, but quite frankly, I think you're saving like 60% off our retail value. Bell and Startastic is a great partner of HSN's, right? And so they were able to like get HSN the units earlier than the other stores, like we do here at HSN for Christmas in July that other stores don't do. And then even the articulating head. So if you are going to stick this down and you want to like project it higher on your house, well, then you just unscrew the little knob here, loosen it up a little bit, and then you just angle the head. It's completely articulated. And then you just tighten that little screw back up to lock it into place. The possibilities of where you can use this are endless, but Lesley Ann is so right. Picking up 2 or 3 is something that a lot of people have done and continue to do. Front of the house, back of the house, the neighbor's house, the girlfriend's house, you got a niece or a nephew. Maybe you're having a holiday party, the school, the church, everybody can use one of these.
Great idea.
And with the 12 slides, if you pick up more than one set, you're going to get 12 slides with every single set. And it is that color, beautiful retail box that's got a great gift, bow and go, really, at the end of the day.
You know, one of my favorite traditions, and I know it sounds silly and maybe really simple, but one of my favorite traditions is loading the 3 kids in the car, and me and the boys go out, and we would go out. I remember when they were really little, go out every single night, and we would go out to see which was our favorite house, which house had the best light show, right? And it was so cute because I'd strap them into their little chairs, and they'd be like, oh, Mama, look, look, look. These are the types of houses where we would just park and maybe creep the people out that live there, like, why is there a car parked in front of our house? But we'd stand there and just look at the light show. Remember, there's movement. There's all sorts of fun. There's all of that imagery for Halloween. It's kind of cool because you got the ghouls, you got the ghosts, you know. For New Year's Eve, you get the champagne glasses and the balloons. It's fun, and this is the only place where you will get all of those slides. So you can find Startastic out there. I see them all the time. But this is the only place where you get the 12 slides plus that tripod. And that's important too, Chad, because if you don't get that right angle, sometimes your imagery is kind of floating, you know, on the door or on the front porch, right? And not on the house the way you want it. So I love that we included that.
Yeah, so you're able to take the tripod inside as well. So for those holiday parties you're doing on the inside, yeah, of course you get the stake that goes into your grass. But just being able to put that into a tripod and put it on inside on any flat surface, you just can't go wrong. And we can't hit it enough. If you only buy one, that's the only mistake you can make, especially at that number right there.
Oh, absolutely. 727-063 is your item number. Chad, I think I have more items with you a little later on, or is this just it for us? Are you done
that
for
was
Christmas
the end
in
of
July?
Yeah, that was my 8th show today just now. So I'm good. I'm done.
All right, you earned it. I'll let you off the hook. Thanks, Chad. Hey, stay in the ordering process. Very popular, and of course, under 20 bucks for such a profound, big holiday wow. 727-063 is your item number. Coming up, I begged my producer Rocky to show this because I own this thing, and I love this thing. I remember